Okay, so Unfall basically means accident. Yeah. It's like an accident, not like it's the meaning is accident, right? So you can see here, Pohn. The name of the lady is Frau Pohn. So you have to see three pictures, and there are three sentences. So read the sentences, match it with the picture. Once you do it, then we're going to discuss the words that we have in this picture. And we're also going to see that what happens after one, faces an accident. So click, sorry, just a moment, bitte. So, gehen wir raus. Genau. Good. Yeah. So A, B und C and 1, 2, 3. So Samriddhi, what do you think? Lesen Sie oder was denken Sie? Welches Bild geht mit Satz Nummer 1? Which pick goes with picture, sentence number 1?
Say.
Say. And what do you think it means? Frau Pohn bekommt ein Rezept für eine Salbe. What is Rezept? What is yeah?
That the first sentence means that the lady is talking to the receptionist in the hospital.
Okay. So what could be Salbe? Any guesses? Normally, if you hurt your knee, if you had an accident, you hurt your knee, you go to the hospital, and then she gives you a prescription with what? Okay, Salbe is basically an ointment. So Zalba is ointment, yeah, and Rezept is prescription, yeah, and bekommen is the word that means to get. Bekommen, it's a regular verb, and you can easily conjugate it with ich bekomme, du bekommst, es bekommt. So she gets a prescription for an ointment. Okay, then Nummer 2. Frau Pohn hatte einen Unfall. Ihr Knie ist verletzt. Which picture?
Picture number A.
And what does it mean? This sentence means what?
It means that Mrs. Fawn had a fall,
Had an accident, yeah.
had an accident, so she hurt her knee.
Her knee is verletzt means hurt, yeah. So her knee, Knie is knee, ist verletzt. Yeah. Richtig. Then Frau Dr. Klimke is a name, macht einen Verband. Frau Dr. Klimke macht einen Verband. Was could Verband? Was kann Verband sein?
Bandage.
Verband is bandage, right? So she does or she is doing a bandage. Great. So here we have got three important words. Salva, that's ointment. Pellets means to hurt. Verband is bandage. And then Unfall is accident. Rezept means your prescription. Bekommen is to get. And Knie means your knee. Yeah, so these are Wörter sind wichtig. These are important words. Please don't forget it. Okay, then we'll be coming in here. So here you have to do what? Ordnen Sie das Gespräch, hören Sie dann und kontrollieren Sie. So there are, for example, you have to read the question and you have to figure out which is the answer. For example, was ist los, Frau Paul? Was ist los is a very, ein Moment. German में, if you want to ask somebody what happens or what happened, so the easiest way to ask this is was ist los? क्या हुआ? So yeah, the word is, yeah, the normal word for was ist los means what happened. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, it can also like it also works in past tense. Like sorry, it also works in present tense, like what is happening. So this can mean both what happened or was this happening, was this los. Yeah. So then Frau Pohn, was ist los, Frau Pohn? That means what happened, Frau Pohn? So Frau Pohn said, that is Nummer D. Ich hatte einen Unfall mit dem Fahrrad, mein Knie tut weh. Tutwe is a word that means to hurt, you know, tutwe. Tutwe means to hurt. Yeah. So my knee is hurting, you know, it's paining. If you have anywhere pain, it can also be used for pain. For example, you can say mein Bauch. Bauch, if you remember, we did Bauch is stomach. Mein Bauch tutwe means my stomach is aching. My stomach is aching. So tutwe is used for is used to show that the part of that particular part of your body is aching or paining. So that is this question goes with Nummer D. Similarly lesen Sie alle diese Fragen und finden Sie die Antworten und dann können wir diskutieren. So bitte. And this is a conversation between a patient and a doctor. The patient who has hurt or who, like, she had an accident and she hurt her knee. So the word that you have here, for example, you can see a lot of new words, you know, Wunder, Zauber, bewegen, Morgen, you know, Bein. So try to understand the meaning yourself first, yeah, what it could be. एक नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या हो सकता है एक डॉक्टर और एक पेशेंट के बीच, जब पेशेंट गई है ये बोलकर कि उसके पैर में चोट लगी है, उसके नी से यू नो नी में शी गॉट हर्ट, तो what could be the possible conversation, उसके basis पे try to find out the meaning of these words in a context, yeah. उसके बाद तो you can have the dictionary, you can find out the meaning, I can tell you the meaning, but still figure out it, try to figure out yourself, because बहुत common words हैं इसमें which you can easily guess. नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स जो कि एक पेशेंट और इसके बीच में होता है जब हम पट्टी लगवाने जाते हैं, एंड देन लाइक सेम सिमिलरली लाइक दैट. So try to understand the conversation all by yourself and then we can discuss.